I'm in. I'm in the kitchen cooking dinner. I'm in the office working on a project. I'm in the car driving to the store. I'm in the garden planting flowers. I'm at the restaurant having dinner. I'm at the gym working out. I'm at the doctor's office for an appointment. I'm at the cinema watching a movie. I'm on the phone talking to a friend. I'm on the bus commuting to work. I'm on the internet browsing social media. I'm on the stage performing in a play. I'm good at playing basketball. I'm good at solving math problems. I'm good at cooking Italian cuisine. I'm good at speaking French. I'm verb. I'm reading a book in the park. I'm watching a movie at home. I'm studying for my exams at the library. I'm singing in the shower. I'm getting ready for work. I'm getting tired of waiting. I'm getting better at playing the piano. I'm getting hungry, let's eat soon. I'm getting better at cooking healthy meals. I'm getting better at managing my time. I'm getting better at understanding complex concepts. I'm getting better at staying calm in stressful situations. I'm having dinner with friends tonight. I'm having a cup of coffee in the morning. I'm having a party for my birthday. I'm having a difficult time understanding this concept. I'm being careful while crossing the street. I'm being honest with you. I'm being patient while waiting for my turn. I'm being silly, let's have some fun. I'm thinking about my future career. I'm thinking of going on vacation next month. I'm thinking about what to cook for dinner. I'm thinking deeply about the meaning of life. I'm trying plus, verb. I'm trying to improve my cooking skills. I'm trying to understand the difficult concept. I'm trying to find a new job. I'm trying to be more patient with others. I'm gonna, verb. I'm gonna visit my grandparents this weekend. I'm gonna start exercising regularly. I'm gonna learn how to play the piano. I'm gonna finish reading this book tonight. I have plus, noun. I have a meeting in the morning. I have a pet dog named Max. I have a passion for photography. I have a friend who lives in Canada. I have plus, past participle. I have finished my homework. I have eaten breakfast already. I have watched that movie before. I have read all the Harry Potter books. I have to plus, verb. I have to finish my assignment by tomorrow. I have to attend a meeting in the afternoon. I have to call my parents later. I have to clean my room before guests arrive. I had to plus, verb. I had to apologize for arriving late. I had to study all night for the exam. I had to cancel my plans due to bad weather. I had to work overtime last week. I will have to plus, verb. I will have to buy groceries tomorrow. I will have to complete the project by next week. I will have to visit the dentist soon. I will have to pack my bags for the trip. I want to plus, verb. I want to learn how to play the guitar. I want to travel to Europe next summer. I want to improve my cooking skills. I want to spend more time with my family. I gotta plus, verb. I gotta finish this report by the end of the day. I gotta call my mom back, she left a voicemail. I gotta pick up some groceries on the way home. I gotta study for my exams tomorrow. I would like to plus, verb. I would like to visit Japan someday. I would like to volunteer at a local shelter. I would like to learn how to speak French fluently. I would like to try skydiving at least once in my life. I plan to plus, verb. I plan to start my own business in the near future. I plan to travel around the world after I graduate. I plan to adopt a pet from the shelter next month. I plan to learn how to code during my free time. I've decided to plus, verb. I've decided to quit my job and pursue my passion. I've decided to enroll in a yoga class for better health. I've decided to save money for a down payment on a house. I've decided to learn how to play the piano professionally. I am about to plus, verb. I am about to start a new job next week. I am about to finish writing my thesis. I am about to go on stage for my performance. I am about to board the plane for my vacation. I was about to plus, verb. I was about to leave when you called me. I was about to start cooking dinner when the power went out. I was about to submit my application when I noticed a mistake. I was about to buy the tickets, but they sold out. Will about to plus, verb. I will be about to leave for my trip once I pack my bags. I will be about to give a presentation at the conference when you arrive. I will be about to finish my project by the end of the day. I will be about to celebrate my birthday next week. I didn't mean to plus, verb. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings with my words. I didn't mean to forget about our appointment, it completely slipped my mind. I didn't mean to break your favorite mug, it was an accident. I didn't mean to cause any trouble with my actions, I apologize. I promise not to plus, verb. I promise not to forget your birthday this year, I've set a reminder. I promise not to make the same mistake again, I've learned from it. I promise not to let you down, I'll do my best to support you. I promise not to eat all the cookies before you get home, I'll save some for you. I'd rather plus, verb. I'd rather stay home and read a book than go out to a party. I'd rather spend my money on experiences than material possessions. I'd rather wake up early and watch the sunrise than sleep in. I'd rather exercise outdoors than go to the gym. I feel like plus, verb ing. I feel like watching a movie tonight. I feel like going for a walk in the park. I feel like eating pizza for dinner. I feel like listening to some music to relax. I can't help plus, verb ing. I can't help laughing at that funny joke. I can't help feeling anxious before exams. I can't help worrying about the future sometimes. I can't help singing along to my favorite songs. I was busy plus, verb ing. I was busy studying for my exams all weekend. I was busy cooking dinner when you called. I was busy cleaning the house for the party. I was busy working on a project for work. I kept plus verb ing. I kept watching TV all night, even though I had to wake up early. She kept talking about her vacation plans, exciting everyone around her. We kept laughing at the silly jokes the comedian was telling. He kept playing video games instead of doing his homework, procrastinating until late at night. I'm not used to plus, verb ing. I'm not used to waking up early in the morning. I'm not used to driving in heavy traffic. I'm not used to speaking in front of large crowds. I'm not used to living in a big city. I want you to plus, verb. I want you to help me with this project. I want you to listen to what I have to say. I want you to come with me to the concert. I want you to be happy and fulfilled in life. I'm here to plus, verb. I'm here to support you through thick and thin. I'm here to lend a helping hand whenever you need it. I'm here to make a positive impact in the world. I'm here to learn and grow as a person. I have something plus, verb. I have something important to discuss with you. I have something fun planned for the weekend. I have something delicious cooking in the oven. I have something exciting to share with you. I'm looking forward to going on vacation next month. I'm looking forward to meeting you in person. I'm looking forward to starting my new job. I'm looking forward to spending time with my family over the holiday. Why don't we plus, verb. Why don't we go out for dinner tonight? Why don't we watch a movie together this weekend? Why don't we try cooking a new recipe for dinner? Why don't we go for a walk in the park? It's too bad that it rained on our picnic day. It's too bad that she missed her flight. It's too bad that the concert got cancelled. It's too bad that he didn't get the job he applied for. You could have plus, past participle. You could have told me earlier about the meeting. You could have called me before coming over. You could have finished the project on time if you had worked harder. You could have chosen a different approach to solve the problem. If I were you, I would plus, verb. If I were you, I would apologize to him. If I were you, I would take the job offer without hesitation. If I were you, I would confront her about the issue. If I were you, I would consider taking a break and traveling for a while. I kept plus verb plus ing. I kept watching TV all night, even though I had to wake up early. She kept talking about her vacation plans, exciting everyone around her. We kept laughing at the silly jokes the comedian was telling. He kept playing video games instead of doing his homework, procrastinating until late at night. It's gonna be plus, adjective. It's gonna be a long day at work tomorrow. It's gonna be a challenging task to complete. It's gonna be a fun weekend getaway. It's gonna be an exciting event to attend. It looks like plus, noun. It looks like rain, so don't forget your umbrella. It looks like we're out of milk, I'll need to buy some more. It looks like he's not feeling well, maybe he should see a doctor. It looks like the train is delayed, we might have to find another mode of transportation. That's why plus, subject plus verb. That's why she didn't come to the party, she was feeling unwell. That's why he failed the exam, he didn't study enough. That's why the project was delayed, there were unexpected complications. That's why they broke up, they couldn't resolve their differences. It's time to plus, verb. It's time to go to bed, it's getting late. It's time to start working on your assignment, the deadline is approaching. It's time to apologize for what you said earlier. It's time to make a decision about your future career. The point is that plus, subject plus verb. The point is that we need to save more money for our vacation. The point is that she always arrives late for meetings, which is unprofessional. The point is that we should focus on finding a solution rather than blaming each other. The point is that he needs to take responsibility for his actions. How was plus, noun? How was your vacation in Hawaii? How was the movie you watched last night? How was your experience at the new restaurant downtown? How was your interview for the job? How about plus, verb ing? How about going for a hike this weekend? How about trying that new restaurant for dinner? How about watching a comedy movie tonight? How about joining the gym and starting a fitness routine? What if plus, subject plus verb? What if we miss the train? What's our backup plan? What if she doesn't like the gift we bought for her birthday? What if we fail the exam? How will it affect our grades? What if it rains during the outdoor event? Do we have a contingency plan? How much does it cost to plus, verb? How much does it cost to repair a leaky faucet? How much does it cost to rent a car for a week? How much does it cost to take a trip to Europe? How much does it cost to replace a broken phone screen? How come plus, subject plus verb? How come you didn't tell me about the meeting? How come he got the promotion instead of you? How come they're leaving the party so early? How come the price of the product increased suddenly? What are the chances of plus, verb ing? What are the chances of winning the lottery? What are the chances of getting accepted into your dream college? What are the chances of finding a parking spot in this busy area? What are the chances of encountering traffic on our way to the airport? There is something wrong with plus, noun. There is something wrong with my laptop, it keeps freezing. There is something wrong with the recipe, the cake didn't turn out as expected. There is something wrong with my car's engine, it's making strange noises. There is something wrong with the plumbing, the sink is leaking. Let's not plus, verb. Let's not argue about this anymore, it's not worth it. Let's not forget to bring sunscreen to the beach. Let's not make any hasty decisions, let's think things through first. Let's not waste time worrying about things we can't control. Let's say that plus, subject plus verb. Let's say that we arrive at the party around 8 p.m. Let's say that we finish the project by the end of the week. Let's say that we take a different route to avoid traffic. Let's say that we meet for lunch tomorrow at noon. There's no need to plus, verb. There's no need to rush, we have plenty of time. There's no need to worry about the small details. There's no need to spend so much money on decorations. There's no need to apologize, it wasn't your fault. Please make sure that plus, subject plus verb. Please make sure that you lock the door before leaving. Please make sure that you turn off the lights when you leave the room. Please make sure that you submit your assignment on time. Please make sure that you double-check your work for any errors. Here's to plus, noun. Here's to new beginnings and exciting adventures. Here's to friendship and making memories together. Here's to success and achieving your goals. Here's to love and happiness in every moment. It's no use plus, verb ing. It's no use crying over spilled milk, let's clean it up. It's no use arguing with him, he won't change his mind. It's no use waiting for the bus, let's call a taxi instead. It's no use worrying about things you can't control, focus on what you can change. There's no way plus, subject plus verb. There's no way he can finish the project by himself, he needs help. There's no way we can afford to buy a house in this neighborhood. There's no way she can run a marathon without proper training. There's no way they can ignore the problem any longer, it needs to be addressed. It's very kind of you to plus, verb. It's very kind of you to offer to help with the moving. It's very kind of you to lend me your notes for the exam. It's very kind of you to invite us to your party. It's very kind of you to donate to the charity. There's nothing plus, subject, plus can plus, verb. There's nothing you can do to change the past, focus on the present. There's nothing she can say to justify her actions. There's nothing they can do to stop us from pursuing our dreams. There's nothing he can do to make up for his mistake. There's nothing plus, subject, plus can plus, verb. There's nothing you can do to change the past, focus on the present. There's nothing she can say to justify her actions. There's nothing they can do to stop us from pursuing our dreams. There's nothing he can do to make up for his mistake. Rumor has it that plus, subject plus verb. Rumor has it that they're getting married next month. Rumor has it that she's quitting her job and starting her own business. Rumor has it that the company is going bankrupt. Rumor has it that he's moving to a different country for a new job opportunity. I'm calling to plus, verb. I'm calling to check on your progress. I'm calling to remind you about our meeting tomorrow. I'm calling to schedule an appointment with the doctor. I'm calling to discuss the project details. I'm working on plus, noun. I'm working on my presentation for tomorrow. I'm working on improving my communication skills. I'm working on a new marketing strategy. I'm working on a research paper for my class. I'm sorry to plus, verb. I'm sorry to interrupt you, but could I ask a quick question? I'm sorry to hear about your loss. I'm sorry to bother you, but could you help me with this? I'm sorry to have to cancel our plans at the last minute. I'm thinking of plus, verb ing. I'm thinking of going for a walk this evening. I'm thinking of redecorating my living room. I'm thinking of starting a new hobby, like painting. I'm thinking of applying for a promotion at work. I'll help you plus, verb. I'll help you clean up after the party. I'll help you move the furniture. I'll help you study for your exams. I'll help you organize your closet. It's my turn to plus, verb. It's my turn to cook dinner tonight. It's my turn to take out the trash. It's my turn to drive the kids to school. It's my turn to present our findings in the meeting. I'm having a hard time plus, verb ing. I'm having a hard time understanding this concept. I'm having a hard time adjusting to the new schedule. I'm having a hard time finding motivation to exercise. I'm having a hard time balancing work and family life. I think I should plus, verb. I think I should apologize for what I said. I think I should take a break and relax. I think I should start saving money for my future. I think I should call my parents more often. I've heard that plus, subject plus verb. I've heard that exercise can improve mood and reduce stress. I've heard that they're planning to renovate the old library. I've heard that the company is going through some financial difficulties. I've heard that traveling to Europe can be expensive. It occurred to me that, subject plus verb. It occurred to me that I need to update my resume. It occurred to me that I forgot to pay the electricity bill. It occurred to me that I haven't called my friend in weeks. It occurred to me that I should start eating healthier. Let me plus, verb. Let me know if you need any help with your project. Let me check if I have that book you're looking for. Let me give you a hand with those groceries. Let me know when you're ready to leave. Thank you for your help with the presentation. Thank you for listening to me vent about my problems. Thank you for inviting me to your party. Thank you for the delicious meal. Can I plus, verb? Can I borrow your pen for a moment? Can I have a glass of water, please? Can I use your phone to make a quick call? Can I ask you a question about the assignment? Can I get plus, noun? Can I get a cup of coffee, please? Can I get the bill, please? Can I get a refill on my drink? Can I get some more information about this product?